No Mediterranean dish is complete without a bowl of hummus, but there are many other ways to enjoy this tasty and traditional dip. Roasted sweet potatoes add a slightly sweet and toasty flavor and a beautiful color to the hummus. It's perfect on any sandwich or wrap, or just as a dip for raw veggies. So let's get started and learn how to make hummus. First, we need to secure our board. Grab a paper towel, wet it and wring it out so it's just damp. Then lay it out flat on the counter and place the board on it so it can act as a grip. After securing our board, we peel the sweet potato and we trim off the stem ends. In the next step, we cut the washed potato into 5 to 6 slices lengthwise on the chopping board. After slicing the sweet potato, lay them down on the cutting board and cut them into sticks. In the following step, we dice the sweet potato sticks. Place the sweet potato cubes on a lined baking sheet and toss them with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mix well. Roast them for 20 minutes in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or until the potatoes are tender and beginning to brown. Remove the baking sheet from the oven and let cool down a bit. In the meantime, we can proceed with the chickpeas. First, we have to remove the very thin skin on the outside of the chickpeas. The skins are edible, but to get a rich and creamy hummus, it's better to remove them. There are 2 ways how to remove. You can put the chickpeas in a bowl with water and rub them gently with your hands against each other. You will see the transparent skin will flow to the surface, so you can easily decant off the water with the floating shells. Add more water and continue this step until all shells have been removed. I usually have to do this step 2 or 3 times until all the shells are removed. You can also fish out the skins by hand. The second trick is to spread the chickpeas on a towel and to fold the towel to cover the peas. Rub the chickpeas in the towel between your hands and carefully not to try to completely smash them. Just wrap the towel gently over the chickpeas for a minute. If you open the towel, you will see that the shells are loose, so you can easily pick the chickpeas and remove any leftover skin. In the final step, we bring all the ingredients together. For this, add the chickpeas and the diced sweet potato into a blender. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add the crushed garlic, the tahini, the pepper and the cumin. Blend everything together for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then add the lemon juice and blend further for 1 or 2 minutes. While the food processor is running, add the reserved chickpea liquid. At a time, just until it reaches the right consistency. Use a spatula to scrape the hummus down to the sides of the blender and add sweet paprika and blend more until creamy. Gradually add some water until you have the creamy and rich consistency you're looking for. In the very last step, I'm adding the salt and I blend for another minute so everything is well combined. And that's it. Transfer it to a bowl and add olive oil on top and sprinkle paprika powder. Serve with pita, veggies or crackers, or use as a spread for sandwiches, wraps, or for a bowl full of veggies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.